How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop. Glad you dropped in today. Well, we got the boat rack put back on the boathouse. Everything's looking good down there. But you know me, can't be bothered waiting for the boys to drop out sometime. I'm going to put the boats back on that boat rack myself. Check this out. Stupid me. I couldn't wait. I'm going to try and put this canoe up there myself. We'll see how I make out. You know what? This makes me think I can put the other boats in there myself. Don't say it, I know what you're thinking. Let's take a break. Time for another break. I almost got this boat. I think I can get it up here myself. What do you think? I bet you a subscription. If I get this boat on the rack, you better subscribe to my channel. I just hope it fits in here. I'm thinking if I drag it back in there and then flip it over, if I get the bow in here, then I can get it in, because it's easy after that. I'm trying to talk myself into it. I don't want to strain my milk though. That would be no good. Won't be long now. Be time to put the boat in the water before we get it up here. I'm just thinking, you know, once I get that boat in here, then I'm going to be wanting to put the paddle boat in. Should put the paddle boat in first maybe, because this boat's going to be hanging down over the edges. Well, I'll get this one queued up here anyways, and then we'll go from there. But I think I'll move the boat back 3 more feet, or however far it needs to go. But then I'm going to get the paddle boat put in here next. Anyway, let's go. Get her done. Now this is where we see if I measured correctly. There we go. You know what, the depth of this rack is almost too long for the paddle boat. But it's not. Now we have to go turn the big boat over. Once you get the bow set up in there, you can break out the beer because you're just about done by then. Not yet. I didn't realize it was so heavy at the rear end. Just about, eh? Well, I don't know what happened to my video yesterday, but when I was editing last night, I discovered that I didn't have the clip that showed the boat actually on the boat rack. So I thought I'd better come back down this morning and show it to you. I did get it on. It went on, well, it was a struggle getting it set up there, but once I got it slid on, it went in pretty good. And there's lots of room there too for the boat, so no problem that way. So I think that's going to be great. And just have a look at our lake here this morning. I don't know. What did I ever do to deserve this, eh? Did you think I was going to be able to manage that? You know, I was down there thinking, you know, the next time the kids come out, well, I'm not sure when it's going to be. Fall's a busy time for everybody, right? And I wanted to get the boats on the boat rack before the first anniversary of Hurricane Fiona. So I said, I could put that canoe on there. I know darn well I can. Well, then one thing led to the other. Next thing you know, did you win the bet? Yeah, I bet you that I could put them all on there. I bet you a subscription. So if you bet that I couldn't, and I did, you better subscribe, right? Thanks a lot for watching, folks. Sure hope you're having a great week wherever you are. Hey, we'll talk to you soon.